Hi dear folks, today's Leetcode challenge is delete operations for two strings. In this problem, we are given input as two strings of same or different length. For example, word 1 is equals to C and word 2 is eat. Condition given is in one step you can delete exactly one character in either string. Output is minimum number of steps required to make word 1 and word 2 the same. For example, input is first word see and second word is eat. Here output would be 2 because you need one step to delete s from word 1 C to make it EA, and second step is required to delete T from eat to make it EA. The problem can be solved using dynamic programming. Time complexity of this approach would be O n1 into n2, where n1 represents length of word 1 and n2 represents length of word 2. And space complexity of this approach is also O n1 into n2. Let's move to the solution part now. There are few base conditions here, that is, if word 1 and word 2 are null, then return 0. If just word 1 is null or length of word 1 is 0, then return length of word 2, as we need to remove all characters from word 2 to make it equals to word 1. Similarly, if word 2 is null or length of word 2 is 0, then return length of word 1, as we need to remove all characters from word 1 to make it equal to word 2. Now we will create a buffered array of size n1 and n2, where n1 represents length of word 1 and n2 represents length of word 2. The logic to solve this problem is to find the length of the longest common subsequence between two words using dynamic programming, make it twice, and delete its value from combined word length. Formula is n1 plus n2 minus 2 into dp at row n1 and column n2. Subsequence means the sequence formed when traversed in single direction. For example, if word 1 is equals to C and word 2 is equals to eat, here subsequence will be EA and its length is 2. Also, n1 is equals to 3 and n2 is equals to 3 here. So, using the formula, output would be 3 plus 3 minus 2 into 2. I'll repeat again. So, the output would be n1, which is 3, n2, which is 3, minus 2 into dp n1 into n2, which is 2. So that's equals to 6 minus 4 is equals to 2, which is the final result. Last thing pending is to find the length of longest common subsequence. In order to calculate longest common subsequence, we will fill the dp array. We will iterate through the array and will check if character at index I minus 1 from word 1 is equal to character at index j minus 1 from word 2. Then populate dpij with value 1 plus dpi minus 1 j minus 1. Else populate dpij with maximum value from dpi minus 1j and dpij minus 1, which represents largest common subsequences formed after deleting one character from first word and second word respectively. That's for the coding part. This solution is accepted by Leetcode. Thanks for watching this video. And I also request you to like this video. Thank you once again.